uthando nesithembu Khumalo, she must open her eyes because now she can saw that Musamseleko, he love her. Now she can saw. She is open her ears now. Just because Makumalo, she loved to be a good woman all the times. Because sometimes to be a good woman, they've got their own bride price. You understand? Because when you are saying, because most of the times what I saw in other seasons, Makumalo, she wants Muzamseleku to say Makumalo, she is the only good woman. And to be a good woman, it not means that man loves you. You can do anything for that man, but in his heart, he doesn't love you. Because she have to show that at the time she is going to marry Mayeni first, and she was being used by Musamselegu and go to marry Mayeni. For that time when she was young, she was supposed to open her eyes at the first time.